Comment in the section below if you would like me to further explain that in another video. Also comment and let me know if you do try this, and if you do try it, come back and let me know how it works for you. Okay, so if y'all ready, let's get into this video. As y'all can see, those are the products that I will be using. First, you want to section your hair and detangle it. I am putting It Doesn't Get Much Better Than This by the ManeChoice on my hair first. Of course, I have the leave-in already. I'm using my Denman brush, working my way from the ends all the way up to the roots. Just making sure to brush all the tangles out so that we can begin to make more subsections using precise, excuse me. So I have a mirror behind me and a mirror also in front of me. This helps me to part the back of my hair. Everyone's always asking how I get my hair parted so perfectly by myself, and this is the trick. So yeah, I like to part from ear to ear to separate the back section instead of having 4 sections. Vertically, I like to section it horizontally when I am doing any type of plaits in my hair. So this is the first layer of twists. So what I'm about to do is add some more water. This is warm water, and detangling a little bit more. And now I am adding the curling custard. I am applying it from the root to the ends, working it in. And then this is a demonstration of the twist. This is the first twist. Later on in the video, I will do it in real time, and I also will be doing it in slow motion. So continue watching if you would like to see that part. I thought I was recording, but my phone had died, so I went ahead and let it charge, finish the majority of my hair, and I have this section left. So I have my warm water because I've done this on soaking wet hair. kind of pull it tight. You see I pull it tight there. And then so you kind of twist. You turn and you pull it tight a little bit. See, I did it there. And then you just twist, turn, and pull tight. And you just continue this all the way down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I apologize for being out of the frame a little bit in the video, but again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you will be informed